Hi guys, in front of me is Huawei Nova 12 SE, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First, open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password, mark Face ID, and provide PIN code. It's a kind of backup to your fingerprint. So once it is set, mark Unlock Device, and now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. Sensor is located on your power button right here, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on OK then. And as you can see from now on, you will be able to unlock your screen with your fingerprint only. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.